In this video, I'll be going over how to round decimals to the nearest hundredth value. In order to do so, we need to first locate the hundredth place from the decimal. Next, we look one space to the right. If it's 4 or less, we do nothing. If it's 5 or more, we'll increase the hundredth value by 1. Below are 3 examples, and we're going to solve for each. For the first example, we're going to locate the hundredth value. So in this case, 6 is the 10th and 9 is the hundredth place. So we look one space to the right. That would be the 2. 2 would fall under 4 or less. So we basically do nothing. If we do nothing, the answer becomes 5.69, but the 2 is no longer there because we're rounding to the hundredth place. So 5.69 is the answer, and anything that's behind are wiped out. For the second example, the hundredth value is 5. And we're looking one space to the right. In this example, we have 9. 9 would be 5 or more, so we will increase the hundredth value by 1. So the answer would then become 3.76. And the 9 and 2 that we have in the thousands and the 10,000s place will be gone. So it's just 3.76. Now for the third example, hundredth place is here. One space to the right, we have 3. 3 would be 4 or less. So we do nothing and we're wiping them out. And the answer is 0.62. So these 3 examples are how you would round decimals to the nearest hundredth place. We also have a video on how to round decimals to the nearest 10th place, and you can find them in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.